let's do the beach tour. Okay. So our local guys have been doing, crew that looks after our maintenance, and they've been doing an amazing job getting everything all tidied up and cleaned up. My lot was pretty heavy, so they've done a pretty good job so far. We've got a bunch more to go. It all takes time, but yeah, this is absolutely stunning out here. So this is Northern Nicaragua. We are in Salinas Grande, and I've wanted to come here for about 10 years because one of my best friends, my neighbor next door, who helped put all this together, Tony, at Casa, has been telling me how magical this place is and why he bought and built down here. And it's just never worked out for me to get here. So this happened, bought sight unseen, and I couldn't be happier because what's behind me, this is low tide. This is the Emerald Coast. Low tide, great little longboard peelers out there, warm. And that is Northern Nicaragua, and there's nobody. When I say this place is remote, this place is the most remote destination I've ever been to. The trek to get in here was unreal. It's nothing like I've ever experienced, which is why I bought here and why I plan on spending at least my winters for a while getting out of Canada and getting down here, because this is absolutely magical. This is right in front of the new house. Can't wait for people to come down here and see this. This is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Some of our locals there. Over here, where the boat is, we met Scott last night. He's our neighbor, lives here year-round, full-time, and he's got his big boat and his local guys, and they all go fishing, and so I can't wait to go out fishing with him. But right next door, he owns the turtle sanctuary for the sea turtles, which we had a bunch of little babies around us yesterday while we were out surfing, and a big adult the other day popped up. And tonight, 4 o'clock, 4:30, we're going to be releasing about 700 little baby turtles into the Pacific here. So I'm going to edit and video all that stuff, and we'll throw that up, so stay tuned for that video to come out. But this is absolutely magical. I couldn't imagine being anywhere else right now. I really can't. Sometimes you just got to take a leap of faith and jump off the edge and take a chance. I didn't do any of this without having full confidence and trust in my neighbor, who's one of my best friends, and trusting him that this is worth it, and not being able to come down here during COVID and sight unseen. And so it was a pretty crazy feeling, but once I got here, man, it's worth every penny. You got no tourism. I'm so far away from anything like that. It's unreal. Everything, you're living off the land, fresh fish, lobsters, crab, vegetables, fruit. We've got everything between the houses. It's absolutely magical. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little tour and an update of what this looks like. And yeah, stay tuned for more from Casa de las Olas. In English, it's the House of the Waves, or the Wave House. Hey everybody, thank you, stay tuned. You! Hope you're enjoying the snow, Canada.